Go. Next question. Says, I'm not really into labels. Ati.
Red.
Red. Ikaw.
Beige.
Beige. Ikaw.
Red.
Anong beige? Anong lahi? Ay!
Hala! Kite!
Mga ati! Welcome back! Oh my God! Guys! Oh my God! Wait, sa if natingala mo nga, usually, tulura biya jud ta, di ba?
Correct!
But if nakita mo upat sa youth mo, char, check, 5 mi kabuok. Charing. Naatay guest! Naatay budget!
First time in history.
Ate, yes!
Oh my God.
Pwede i-cover sa ako.
Maka-TF na ta.
I-cover sa mo na.
Sige, cover sa kunwari. Sige.
Para na
Paki-edit ang face. I-blurred. Paki-blurred ang face.
Japan pixelated.
Yes, kana. So, naatay guests brought to you by...
Oh
my God! A friend of the podcast. Char!
Wala may choice. Shout out mo
We
na
have
friend.
invited a friend of the podcast para ma-usob na po lang at sumkuan. Makabalo BF ka mo, Shiki.
Correct.
Wow.
Char!
Grabe
Check
siya.
ka. So, now we have... Paki-introduce!
Sure,
Kamo!
introduce to
Kamo, kamo may close.
Okay.
Ako lang tanan.
Ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen and ladies.
Ay!
Ang
Please.
babae sa sinapupunan. Charot. Ang babae naggaling sa banga.
Hinugot sa tadyak.
Correct. The original bombshell of Dumaguete City. Please help us welcome.
Mayor Ipe. Char! Paki-edit out to siya. Hi, Jillian! We're going to see kung angkol. Charing!
Let's all
Go ahead.
Let's all welcome the very own Georgina.
Thank you so much.
Palakpakan sa studio, everyone.
And thank you so much for watching.
That's all. Char, check.
Ako na din usap mo host.
Kumbaga na di
Wala
ay.
na. Char, check.
Pero sa check kung kanaas. Oy, kumusta na ka-acted Joy?
Pag-una.
Kumusta na ka-acted?
Gadali. Yun yung usan.
Correct. How are you, Dai?
How are you,
my
Ate?
God.
Driving. Charat.
Sabi ko, I'm drunk.
Can
Medicated.
Can you introduce yourself to our
Correct.
audience?
Where's
Miss
my
Georgia.
cam?
Tabala. Pwede shirigan ka.
Hi everyone. I am the original dance floor bombshell of
Correct.
Dumaguete. The one and only Georgina.
Correct. Madahan, pag-really.
No?
Okay namin, hindi namin ma-appeal sa podcast.
Okay na. Nakahanga.
Today.
Yes.
Is it-
And we have her today kay na ate i-discuss na pod na topic, di ba? As usual, mag-chika na ba ito sige na sa atong kanan.
True.
We're on our 3rd episode na.
Hala, third
Oh my God!
Sa season 2.
Hopefully last na ni.
Kayo pa.
Good job.
Charot.
Dili deserve sa audience. Charing! Check ka lang. But anyways,
Kaswerte ba?
na 3rd episode, no? Kaswerte dyan.
Yes.
Maybe ano ha? Dini-subscribe? Diba? But anyways, ang ato ang topic for episode 3 rather. Sorry na ako.
Is...
Papakaino pa ba ate? Kaya pa. Is dating app stories.
Oh my God, very sakto yun ang guest.
Ready na ba ma-cancel ka na?
Charing! Na-cancel na ba
Cancel.
order?
Cancel na
So
ba?
yes, especially in this day and age, everything is very app-based, right?
Yeah, almost tanan. App-based
Exactly.
na siya.
From the
So,
things we watch to the apps we use sa atong phone.
Correct.
Appeal na po ng dating.
Yes.
Everything is available online na.
Tinood yun na siya. Tinood. But
Thank you,
so
Mayor.
Okay, accessible.
Hey, Chara. But anyways, ang ato ang topic karon is dating app stories. And of course, as usual, just like episode 1, episode 2, natin mga question.
Correct.
Correct.
Before tayo mo go, what are the dating apps na nahibalaan ninyo? Let's start with you, Ate.
Tinder.
Ikaw.
Bumble.
Dyan. Ikaw, ate.
Facebook. Charot lang.
Planet Romeo.
Ala,
Ay, Facebook dating.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayaw, sakto nun na adi ay.
Yes.
Hindi mo mag-charge.
Wow.
Sorry.
Charot.
What's the pela?
Ikaw, unsa kamera?
Instagram. Slide to the DM, ati. Di ba? You can use that.
Correct.
Sa pelain.
Daghan man. May
Cupid something, it's a to.
Na-adjoy ginalikayan, ganili i-share. Na-adjoy ginalikayan.
Okay, Cupid.
Christianmingle.com. Sorry.
Pang binayot po ng
Ay, pwede mo kuan, di mo discriminate. Na-adjoy ko sa sabok nga. Medyo, ginagiyan jud siya. Feel na ko, ano ka ha? But, kasi magka-mention.
Grindr.
Yes.
Ay, pinaka-mention na ang Grindr. Asya hindi
Wala
wala.
pa.
Okay. Tinder date.
Tinder, yeah.
Correct.
Tinder.
Okay, naman na ang show.
And this episode is sponsored by
Grindr.
So, mo sa mga example, mga dating apps.
Yes,
But,
correct.
ang dating these days, hindi ka siya limited to just the apps. Kaya anything can be used for dating. Sure,
correct.
Ang WhatsApp, magamit for dating.
Correct.
Hindi na pwedeng
Telegram.
Right? Telegram.
Ana.
WeChat. Pwede po na. Pwede paminain.
Pickleball. Marathon.
Fun
run.
Tinukod na siya.
Let me fun run.
Di ba sa una uso kay Omegle?
Ay, Omegle, yes.
Diba?
Nauso na one time sa Siliman gud ni.
One time ra, John? One time ra?
Sabi na ko Omegle.
Omegle.
Kasi ka sa Omegle na eh. Char, char.
Kasi Omegle.
Ikaw to maghupo sa Omegle. Charat!
Ako
Kidding.
lang Omegle.
Pero anyways, guys, natay game.
Okay, go.
Ay, wow. May
Pilay price.
Walay price. Char, char.
priceless.
Ang atong budget is ano lang, guest lang.
Yes.
Ang price, budget, next season na po na siya.
Priceless and price.
Yes. So, naatay, question.
Okay. Of course, the answer.
Ang atong game, dapat lang.
Okay.
So, pod.
Correct.
But ang atong game is mag-revolve around the question.
Ay.
Mag-revolve.
Nalibog.
Spell.
Kuya Juan.
Char, char.
Kuya Juan, what's
Kuya
up?
Juan.
Wala naka-analyze.
Define. Char. So, itong first question is, do you think dating apps have changed how this generation values relationships? Wa ako kasabot.
Na.
Anong English?
Interpreter,
let's
please.
start with
Paki-interpret natin kay ikaw ba yung bright there eh. Di ba mo nang ni green yung hair?
I won't exert any effort because I understand the question.
Ah!
Charot! Iring!
I-explain natin unsay pasabot sa atong question sa atong mga audience members nga medyo siya nga gamay.
Multiple choice yung pagka-explain.
So, yes, go!
Go. Multiple choice.
Ibisaya na to?
Yes.
Di
Explain ang question.
Kamu rin bahala sa question. Charot lang. Nakauso ba ang app o ang dating app sa mga pagtanaw sa mga batanon or sa norms and values?
Wala batanon sa question. Generation o henerasyon.
Nauso ba sa dating app, karong mga, kay since accessible naman ang dating app, nauso ba sa norms and values sa generation today?
Correct.
And why?
Answer the question.
The question na ba yung mag-iingo?
Before we go into the game itself.
Ikaw.
Ikaw, yes or no?
For me, yes.
Why?
Kaya mo man ang explanation. Yes, kay kuan man siya kanang, again, accessible na ang kuan ron.
Juliet.
Juliet, balik.
Hindi kayo na mag-word.
Oo.
Sige. Since ma-access, kaya bisaya naman siya. Okay, kunong dali rin siya ma-access, like one click or I'm only one click away. Charot lang, bitaw, one click ra, pwede na ka maka-register.
Chat.
Di, uwat ra po ang age.
True.
So, munang daghang
Scammer.
charot.
Oy.
So how about you, Georgina?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Or
Kumoton, bitch. Do you think dating apps have changed how this generation values relationships?
A big yes.
Wow.
Yeah, for
Because-
sure. Because of course, before mga Maria Clara upbringing,
Wow!
when it comes to relationship or when it comes to pursuing a girl or a boy, di ba? Ang atong effort before kay magdalag mga fruits,
Wow.
visit sa
Fruits,
balay.
flowers, you have fruits.
Ang may sakit.
Pamilya ang mga fruits, di ba? Chika lang.
Hospital
And then
ba ni?
right
Sure.
now, murag na-change na siya because of like mga, what do you call this?
Apps.
Like, yeah, I know, not really apps,
Ah,
but
sorry.
the influence of the
Sorry,
social
sorry.
media na they think na di-fantasize ang relationship na dali na kayo makuha because of this and that. So, wala na yung effort. So, that's a very big yes.
Thank you, Mayor.
Dapat
And thank you for watching. But yes, you know, everything is
Which
instant
true.
na.
Yes.
Right? Impatient na kayo mga tao.
Correct.
Dapat
Yes.
pag high pa lang, uyab na muna yun.
Correct.
Diba?
Di
Wala
ba? So
na
na nga,
effort.
mo effort. Mga lows,
Ay.
mangkuan, kanang perlu, charot. But ikaw, ate, what can you say about
Same, mura ba ito siya? Actually, nagsabot na magbidaan before.
Same, medyo tag team.
Tag team.
Okay. By pairs din.
By pair din siya.
Pair talaga, ha? Wala kayo choice. But anyways, let's go to our first segment.
Okay, go.
Okay.
What's your first segment, ate?
Abi na kung baon na to.
Ay, pag-vote dahil hindi ka ang
Topic pa ito yun.
Mga 25
Topic pa lang.
questions to.
Oo. We have 15. Church.
Kadaghan.
So, na okay mga set of questions.
Okay.
Dahil yun,
So,
innocent
napatay set of
tubagon.
answers.
Dapat lang. Yes, sure. An innocent tubagon as either red flag,
Red.
which means
Go.
eng,
X, okay.
green flag, which means
Upper.
that,
Blue.
or beige flag, which means
Neutral.
neutral. So, ana.
Okay.
Right?
Sige, sige.
So, mo read ko mga statements and depende sa inyong experiences sa inyong pagsabot sa questions. Tutubag mo. One by one ni ha?
Okay.
Ooh.
Same question or lain-lain question?
Secret.
Nandiyan na yung
Uy.
tips. Okay, okay.
Yes. So, let's
So, magdungan tag-sulti sa itong answer?
one by one.
One by one.
Oh.
Sorry.
Alam, one by one
Not
ba yun?
listening.
Mahulog yun.
Last na lang
Usahay
siya.
no, kailangan din may pagkasungan no.
Pwede tiya siya, pero
Pero no,
Char.
may medj.
Di pagkabungo.
Medyo ihatag ni Lord ang
Tanan.
siya.
Perfect.
Thank you, Susej.
Okay, let's go anyway. Moving on.
But anyways, let's continue. So, let's go with our questions, ha?
Okay. Saan eh? Bato ba topic or wala? Dito, kasi una.
Sa kinsa lang.
sige.
Ako magboto ko may host.
Okay, go. Sorry.
Char. Nano ko ang phone.
Okay, go.
So, get sa tanan ng question ang
Wala na
host.
explanation?
Wala lang.
Depende.
Okay,
siya.
ikaw magbuot.
If
Okay.
bet niya imong kuan.
Okay,
i-
sige, go.
If
i-question
pinakukulang siya, dapat i-explain.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, ate.
So, scenario number 1.
Scenario number 1.
Texts, what you doing at 2 a.m.?
Charot. Hindi ka nagluluto.
Sure.
Kay,
Red, no.
Hoy, green, red,
Ay,
and
naku.
green.
Bugo ka ba yun?
Makundi ang taday.
Bugo.
Saan na mahungan na ani?
sige, go. So, cat.
Ako may read.
Kinalimog ko.
I will read the statement. Yung mga scenario.
Oh, okay.
Mutubag kayo
Gets na.
either red flag, green
Gets na.
flag, beige.
Go.
Okay.
Lalaine Montenegro.
So, question number 1.
Pwede nila kayo una?
Kuya Juan. Sige, go. Texts, what you doing at 2 a.m.?
Red.
Red flag.
Okay.
You!
So.
So, which means beige.
Beige. Beige.
flag.
Yes, beige.
Last na lang mo.
That's pala may instruction.
Kaya happy ako.
Hindi po iba.
Limarang limit sa sayo pa. Ikaw, ate?
Same beige.
Beige. Okay. Why beige?
Kay, we don't know, What if nag-chat na gano'n yung daan, no? Or if first time, siguro red. But if ever nag-chat na mo daan din, let's say, matapak or masig duty ka. So, ano lang, murag sabotable lang na yung mag-chat ni mo at 2 a.m. ang utana.
It
Correct?
depends on the history.
True.
Perfect. Next question. Still friends with your ex and it's a close friendship. Kasi baka relate. Ate.
Ako, depende. But go, let's go with beige.
Beige pagapon.
Beige, beige.
How about you?
It's green for me.
Green for you.
Yes.
Ikaw, ate.
It's beige.
Uy, actually, fast talk ba ni dapat?
Oh,
Dubi ba yun?
It's beige.
Okay, beige. There you go. Next question. Says, I'm not really into labels. Ati.
Red.
Red. Ikaw.
Beige.
Beige. Ikaw.
Red.
Anong beige? Ano yung lahi? Ay!
Hala! Kai!
Ala.
What's the statement?
Pa-safe siya.
What's the statement?
Yan yung mga toxic traits.
Wow!
Yan mo yung mga toxic
ano?
traits, ha?
Says,
exit
I'm
the
not
off.
into labels.
As of the moment,
Ay, actually, ato,
it really depends, Mango.
she's on the phone. Charas!
Call a friend.
Yes.
It really depends, Mango. You can't really say nga, kanang, abi kay you're dating, ano na dayon, murag straight to the point, na ganahan na dyan ko relationship and all. Label na dayon. No, dili ta para ni blank nga. Mo pa gali pag label na dayon.
Hala, medyo mo.
Mo pa gali pag chat in love na dayon.
Ay, live in dayon.
Oh, diba? Live in dayon.
Very blank.
Very
Just say blank.
blank.
Start with the letter.
Ikapila. Ikapila nga day sa.
Anyway, beige. Ano to siya, beige?
Sige ko. But for the rest, it's red.
Red.
Exactly red. Go.
True.
Next question. Always sends you memes that actually match your humor.
Oh my God.
Green!
Oh, it can green.
Ikaw.
Very green.
Very
Green,
green.
green.
Oh, I think it's very sabotable na, no?
Yes.
Green yun siya. Next. Never posts you on social media, even after 6 months.
Red.
Ay!
In a relationship, then eh.
It depends.
It depends. Ano
If the
lang,
shoe fits.
beige lang.
Nanapo.
Ano, buot sila.
Ikaw, ate.
Ano mo?
Red!
Oh, buot mo.
Ano bang beige, ate?
Ano ako, sige.
Alam mo, hindi lahi. Ang mulahi may butan on, of course.
Okay, we don't know man ang...
Red na lang.
No,
Char-
beige. Wala mo takabalo sa 10 plus in your relationship. If kamo ba tong cloud chasers
Simplahon
thingy
din
or katamong private thingy, diba?
Ala! Ay, wala pa lang audience. Check.
Okay, point.
Dili magpalaban sa audience.
Beto.
Dili man tanan mo
Cloud
rely
chaser.
on the social media impact. So, namay man pa-effect lang yun nga.
May mga pa-PR lang.
Yes.
Like we have, murag si...
Like blank. Oh my God! May pagsiglang atong gi-invite.
Ano? Ay!
May pa.
Mo apply. Check. Ako siya ipakomenton sa comment section.
Ang tawag na ka na, hapit na ma-mention imong name, gamay na like
Itan sa stories. Sure.
Sige, go, laban.
Next question. Dapat ay 55.
Okay, go, dapat din.
Has a skincare routine better than yours?
Green.
Green. Ikaw?
Green.
Green.
O, diba? Dapat lang medyo lang
Yes.
pretty just
Yes.
both dapat. Diba? Dapat
Hygiene is
dito
everything.
manguyab ko ka ng mga bahoon og tiil.
Correct.
Murag tiglang!
Sorry.
Ang baho kay murag boarding house. Oh my God! Ang bedsheet wala na ba? Nalab.
Di mang himasa. Taan natin.
Bawang stockings. Ay, charot.
Oh, lucky siya.
Nangatol ko. Charan! Kimi, but yes.
So, ba to sa episode 1?
Guys
Sorry,
ha, kaligo biya manguyab mo in tawbo.
Hygiene.
Hygiene ta.
It's not inarte. Kami, uban mo inarte ako.
Oh.
Te, dili, inarte, te.
Basic na siya.
Hugaw, sakit ng hugaw, te.
Tinuod
Ah,
na
fish
siya.
na.
Ang mga germs.
Oo.
Charing. Next. Orders for you at the restaurant without asking. Ikaw.
Green, of course.
Green. How about you?
No, do kita
Beige.
Beige.
Ako green.
Anong beige?
Di ba nag-order siya? Di na ko bet.
Okay po.
Para
Diba?
desisyon.
What if
Yes.
allergy ko? What if... Di mo ko kagiro noon.
Dahan?
Ay, wala ko siya.
Charat! Di mo, what if ka nang... Karon ni trip ni mo to Jerusalem. What if trip ni mo ron ka nang...
Chicken joy.
Chicken. Or pasta-pasta. Depende na ba?
Ay, ano? Siya pa siya point.
Ma-appreciate ang gesture pero sometimes
Correct.
medyo assuming or ta.
Correct.
Pala desisyon.
Hindi mo, dabi yung bang ganun
Maupod.
mga strong independent woman. Ano, I can do it myself. Ganon. Anyways, next question. Kani, medyo controversial ne. So we'll see.
Cancel.
Not the way you think, but let's see. Lives with their parents and they're 33 as Filipinos.
Okay. Beige.
Beige.
Yeah, beige.
How about
Let's
you?
go with the beige.
Leaning towards red.
Pero-
Leaning towards red.
Mas marad.
Like 80% red. Yeah.
Go. Ikaw, ate.
In between sa beige and red.
So, pila ka percent?
So, pinaka-percent.
50 sa beige, 50 sa red.
Ano man?
So, si Tinoan. Wala combine.
Si beige na lang.
Beige. Nganong red man
Red.
for you, ate?
Leaning-
Because when it comes to like something in that kind of situation, ma-question magunin mo ang pagka-independent sa usa ka tawo. Because na mga tao na when they're living with their parents and wala pa sila naka-experience na living on their own, na siya murag somehow character development na i-work. I'm not sure if you guys are
Yes.
able to like
True.
naka-experience mo na kanang most I'm not generalizing
Yeah.
but most of those
Eh,
people
Generalize.
who are
Judgmental
actually
pa.
like still living with their parents, murag codependent
Correct.
most of the time.
Yes.
So like indecisive, not like those people who are nanay independent.
Not like
kuan.
black.
In short,
Diba?
Bonji.
So, kung magka-relationship ka ng kuan, murag, feeling ako, we're gonna be a problematic couple. So, yeah.
Or this issue.
Or na yung mga daddy or mommy issues na may goodness.
Kaya na ba yung mga mga uyab nga medyo palaban kaysa inahan?
Yes,
True,
correct.
true.
Very true.
Right?
Na ang mama may magkuan, magstorya ni mo na, balikin
Si
na
mama
si
na lang tanong
kuan.
uyabon.
Ano, diba? Oh my God.
Si mama na lang niya mo uyabon.
No? Na siya.
O yung papa, ano?
Nangitag parent, dili partner. Kapoy ka ningon ana.
Parental
Pero
love.
if you want to bash Georgina,
realistic.
you can
Makancel
catch
na
her at check her Instagram. Charing.
Ay, nag-disclaimer ko, wala kong generalize.
Oo.
So, dili siya
fun.
ganahan living, living
On a
with a
prayer.
parent. Living on a prayer. Ano?
Oh, but gets po na ko yung point, Jud. Because
Oo.
sadyo ingon ana.
Correct,
But
correct.
there are people ang pod nga,
Realistic siya.
yeah, realistic po
Super.
siya. Okay? I think you also live alone.
I do live
Cherish
alone with my mother. Pero most of the time, we're like dealing with our
You're
own.
independent.
Yes.
Yes.
Because she's also working.
So,
I'm
if
also
you
working.
want to pursue Georgina, dapat independent jud mo. Okay? At kung inyong balay, check up on if naman
Just
kuhan.
DM her.
Kung yung ginikanan, charot.
Basta niya, di ka ba lumulaba or
Tinuod.
maghugas o kuwan.
Basog if mo date mo
Namin
ngayon pag
washing
parents
machine.
consent.
Correct. Excuse letter. Also,
Tinuod siya. But anyways, thank you so much for your feedback.
Insight.
Charot! Kidding. Next question. Kaya cute kayo siya. Listens when you rant and remembers the details. Ikaw, Tia.
Si Dugaya.
You know na ba?
Green.
Okay,
Oh.
green. Ikaw, Ate.
Green.
Ikaw.
Green, of
Yes,
course.
green siya siya. Of course. Dapat tayo ko.
Yes. Kanang mga attention to details.
Tinuod siya.
Diba?
Tinuod. Very good.
Attentive.
Tinuod. Next. Never likes your Instagram posts but watches all your stories. Silent na fan. Ikaw.
Red.
Red. Dili mo interact.
Yes.
Ikaw.
Beige.
Beige. Ikaw.
beige?
Red velvet.
Red.
Wow.
Anong beige, Ati?
Sige ito yung question.
Na. Di ka sa
Red na lang ko.
Feeling ako beige yung favorite color dahil.
Ano, never likes your Instagram posts but watches all your stories.
Basta hindi ko siya ganun sa kumpo.
Makita di ka!
Oo.
Sure.
Amo ba po?
Di na naman siya ma-blame kung di
So,
siya.
dili
Oh, bitaw.
So, in
Kailangan
short,
yung ba
in
niya ma-watch
short.
siya sa stories lang. Kapag ka na mag-click the stories niya, maagyan na yung stories niya. Dili ko siya ganun sa imong post. Red flag pala niya imong post. Mag-vote man ka.
Ano mangisog mo konti?
Ako alam, hindi ko ganahan.
Joy! Hala!
Charot.
Di ka na kaagi ni imong mga ex ko.
Lalom-lalom to siya.
Alam mo,
Charot, pero imo na gana siya.
may
Ah.
pinaghuhugutan.
Okay, sige, sige. But don't you think na if you're pursuing someone and you want to date, dapat, di ba, na ay, ma-feeling mong support?
Yes.
Oo, of course, target.
O man na ka, day. I rest your case, sir. Di ba? You think? Di ba?
Correct.
And what do you think you would feel if lamig kay kag selfie din? Wala ka, Jud.
It's happening to me right now.
Ay! Ah! Manawagan. Manawagi, go.
Blank.
Sa una kay mo heart. Story ka rong delete.
Chika
ra.
No?
Dugay na siya ka-reklamo, anak. Kung kinsa man gani
Actually.
ka, please
Oh
lang.
my God.
Maayo is una.
Maalahig mi.
Diba? Pero if kamo na medyo...
Maalahig mi, ano yung problema? Alayon ko, please.
I mean, like, to cut the whole thing short, inana magod kay it's either na sila gihide na dili sila ganahan masaktan.
Oh.
Or di na siya kabet.
Mara jud po na
Wala
siya.
siya.
Correct.
Dili consistent. Shock
True.
Sorry.
But anyways, thank you so much for your insight.
Okay.
Chara.
Inside out.
Another one. Kanina, makarelate tayo ni Jen.
Okay.
Brings you snacks when you're sad without being asked.
Oh,
ikaw
green!
ate! Oh, yes.
Makasing
Green,
green.
ikaw.
Green, oy.
Yes,
Matahal.
ikaw.
Super green.
Yes,
Leafy
dapat lang yun,
vegetable.
diba?
Correct.
Dapat matik na
Oo,
siya.
oo,
Diyos
yes.
ko, Lord, if di ko...
Yeah, what if dili ka kung tao nga dili masad?
What if happen
Charot
all the
lang.
time? Diba?
Diba,
But
green
anyways,
siya.
green siya, no? Dapat lang.
Green.
Next one, ay kane. Says I'm not into drama, but is always in drama.
Red.
Red, right?
Red! Yung kaya nakatubag.
Yeah,
Nakatayo
red.
na ba mo, Ani?
Yes.
Yeah.
The guy.
Kinsa?
Si Blanc.
Ay,
Hello. Si Blanc na po.
Pupani ka tong mutaban ni Chara! Kimi!
Start with a letter.
Chari.
Charis.
Nasa karon sa Chara. But,
Gasangyup. Gasangyup.
diba? Nandiyan mga tao nga, but kung na siya ka ng biggest red flag, yun ang, I'm not into drama, pero dahang kaaway sige.
Correct.
True.
Mag-post of padungong all the time sa Facebook.
Ah.
Pero siya dyan pinakunang, di dyan ko ganag-issue, pero daghan kang issue ang timeline.
Alam mo, Roger JC.
Oh,
Very
daghan
Very
kita.
looks family.
Looks family.
Kids can tell joke,
Oo.
diba?
Giving.
It's give-it. Charing. But anyway.
I-decode na ba nato si Blanc? Chika.
At the
Clue
end,
number 1.
kumain na yung episode.
Watag big ko clue later.
I-reveal na.
Charing.
Charot.
Among tawagan. Char.
Okay,
Another
favorite.
question.
Charot lang!
Ah!
Dian Santos.
Shooty Marie. Charing. Here. Kane. Told you I love you after 3 days.
Ay.
Ati.
Red.
Rad, ikaw.
Red, yes.
Super rad.
Why?
Ay, pagbuot.
Oh.
Pasaylo pa ba?
Well, after 3 days, love da yun, my God.
Correct.
Di ba?
No? Namay uban nga ganito, wag nga love bombing.
Yes,
Nakatry na
yes.
mo na.
Love
bombing.
takes time.
Char. Nga ka nang,
To heal.
sa una, kusog kayo
Correct.
pa lami.
Then after 1
After
month,
mga 2 weeks,
Dry.
dry na kayo.
Correct.
Bored na siya. Ano.
Yeah.
So medyo, pagbantay-bantay mo na guys, if ka nang,
Pampalipas
on day 1
oras.
palang daan, labi na kayo siyang kuan.
Correct.
Then, pagka after 2 weeks,
Nga.
sige.
I mean, it speaks volume with the personality sa tao when it comes to like that.
It
So,
speaks volume.
Unsa man nga volume?
Unsa nga volume?
Pila nga?
Volume 1.
Dahil ako ah.
9 imo 9.
Yeah. So, watch out. Should mo guys. Kaya na, lisod ka ayo. Pizza ka nila akong cellphone. Piste.
Di siya manla.
Tag-gloves mang kuanti. Okay na ta! Charot. Another question. Last one.
Last one. Oh my God.
Kani. Especially nga usap kay mga apps.
Aha.
Has a burner Insta account to stalk their ex. Yes, Finsta.
What's up? Hala, sorry, hindi ko ka-relate. Sana.
Hala,
Finsta.
PBB ha, pabuang-buang.
A private Instagram burner account ba? More siya
Okay.
Ragdami.
Okay.
Ragdami account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Red.
PBB.
Red.
Red, of course.
Red.
Very red.
Red.
Kamu, na ba may mga burner account?
I don't have.
Wala.
Wala?
I don't
Ikaw?
have.
Kakapod
Sure.
lang. Kakapod think.
But
Anong
yeah.
Ako ang Facebook malak, mangganin niya. How much
kapoy
yun na
no.
naman kailain?
Kapoy, no? Medyo if someone has a burner
Like, grabe na po ito
stalk,
ka-invested o gihana na
Exactly.
mga level of unsa ni.
medyo obsessive na.
Yes.
Hala mo, Roger si Blanc.
At the end of this episode, I'm i-reveal.
Actually.
But boto siya itong segment 1.
dapat
it was
yung segment
not,
2?
Dapat ay segment 2.
Oh my God.
Shout mo.
Okay, sige.